In this project, we're going to start to take a look at how we can programmatically communicate with our GPIO pins to control external peripherals and sensors. And this is where it gets really interesting. We're going to start very simple, and initially we're just going to blink an LED. The components you need are the same actually from the previous project on powering up an LED. So it's just an LED, a 330 ohm resistor, and two connecting wires. There is, however, a small wiring change for this circuit, so let's take a look at the circuit diagram. So first, pin 11 is going to be connected to our 330 ohm resistor, and the other end of the resistor goes to the anode of our LED. The cathode, or the shorter pin of the LED, is connected to ground, and that is grounded via pin 6 on our Raspberry Pi. So the only change that you'll have to make from the previous circuit is just to connect the end of the resistor, which goes to the anode, connect that to pin 11 on our Raspberry Pi. That's the only wiring change we'll need to make. Let's check that out now. So let's go ahead and make that wiring change that we need for our blinking LED circuit. The only thing that we'll need to do is remove our pin 1 connected to the anode of our LED. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And we need to connect that to pin 11 on our Raspberry Pi. And pin 11 is the 6th pin down on your left. So we could count that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And go ahead and put that in. All right, let's give it a double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks correct. So it looks like we've made that wiring change, and that's all we need to do for our blinking LED circuit.